Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram promote button. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Before moving forward you have to remember that you have to have a professional account to use the promote button. Otherwise you will not be able to see the promote button on your profile. Here you can see that my profile is a business account. And that's why I have the promote button enabled on my profile. Now go back to your profile and select the post you want to promote. And tap on the promote button. Now you have to select the location where you want to redirect your customers. If it is your profile, then select profile. If you want to receive messages, then select direct messages. And if you want to redirect your customers to your website, then select website. When you select website, you have to enter your URL and label the action button according to your preference. Now tap on the tick icon on top right corner and let's move forward. Now you have to select your target audience. Tap on create your own. First name your audience. Then select location. Tap on local and set the radius to maximum. Now you have to enter the interest of your target audience. I'll just select an option and then pick some more from the suggestions. Then tap on the tick icon on top right corner. Now you have to set up an age group. You can also select only male or only female. Now tap on the tick icon on top right corner. And your target audience is set. Now you have to set up your budget. First you have to select your daily budget and then a duration. When you are done, tap on the arrow icon on top right corner. And here you will see a preview. Tap on payment method to add a payment option. Now tap on country to select your country. Now tap on new debit or credit card to add your payment option. And when you are done, tap on the create promotion button and your post will be promoted. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.